Hey everyone, it's Mr. Sug coming at you with a video about how do you record your app running and how do you get a screen grab of the actual code that you're doing. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do that. The first things first, we're going to have code.org or your app open, ready to run. Okay, kind of like what I have here on your screen. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar and let's go ahead and find PowerPoint. That might seem weird. Why would you want to use PowerPoint? But it's actually pretty helpful to do screen recordings and control what you want to record right there. So I'm going to just start a blank presentation because it doesn't matter. And I'll bring it onto the screen so you guys can see it. And there you go. I have this screen ready to go. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to up here. There's a bunch of tabs here at the top of the screen. I'm going to hit the record. You notice there's a couple options here. The most important one that you want is the screen recording. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And you can see now it goes to the other screen that you had active and it's like ready to go. And the cool thing about this is you just hit the record button, but I'm going to go ahead and select my area. Okay, because in this case, I just want to get a video of me clicking through the actual app itself. So I'm going to hit select area and I'm going to come here in my app for a photo liker. I'm going to go ahead and click and drag everything so you can see just that part. And that's what it's going to record. So once I hit record, it's going to give me a countdown and I can go ahead and run my app and it'll record it. Okay, so let's get going. So I'm gonna hit the record button and it should give me a quick countdown eventually. There it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and run this thing. And then you could show, hey, I hit the like button, right? I'm gonna go ahead and add a new comment. And then now, what we can do is we can go ahead and run this thing. Now you're gonna go ahead and right click it. I could just hit start, I guess. I click here. I'm gonna go ahead and run this thing. And then you could show, hey, turn off the volume because the volume is not needed. Most of your computers won't pick up on the sound, just so you know. But the main thing is it's just going to see what the video is doing. So that's kind of cool. So I'm going to hit pause. Okay, and then what you can do is I should be able to right click this thing and save media as. And you can save it wherever you need to save it. Maybe on your desktop, right? Media one, save, and then you're all done. Now let's say you want to get a screen grab of something. So let's say I want to get that code and I want to put it somewhere that you'll have to do for the AP exam. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Windows on your keypad. Okay, you're going to drag the code that I want. And once I click and drag the code that I want, it's not appearing yet, but on the bottom right, it'll say, hey, we got a snipping tool happening here. So Shift S should do it. And then we'll go ahead and click and drag like that. My computer's been kind of slow, but what should happen is on the bottom right, you'll see that there is a little thing that pops up and says, hey, you got a snip of something, and then you can go ahead and save that. So for whatever reason, it's not doing it for me right now, so I'm going to just let that go. But again, the command is Windows Shift S. Those are the key commands you can do to get the snipping pool. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you guys later.